decision. They regret every decision they make about Africa. Ask your president before.
Obama.
Ask Obama.
Ask Obama.
Ask Obama.
Ask Obama.
Ask Obama.
Ask Obama.
The privilege. The privilege.
The previous
America.
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 You have privilege. TPLF is a killer. TPLF is a rapist. TPLF is a terrorist. TPLF is a terrorist. The sad part is, you people, American, you pay tax to support the terrorists, to support the terrorists. Abiy Ahmed is our president. He is our prime minister. We elect him. Ethiopian people elected for the first time. It was not cheated. It was not cheated. It was not cheated, I repeat, because the Ethiopian people, they stand 6 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours on the rain, on the cold. They vote their prime minister for the first time. For the first time. We are proud. Ethiopian people are our proud people. You know that. Read about Ethiopia. Ethiopia is 300 years, not 240. Ethiopia has been before the world.